Instead of choosing a sprite, click on paint. Okay. This will make the border stick. As you can see, this is the border is thicker. If you decrease this one, the outline of the border becomes smaller. Let's try another one. Okay, click a space bar. Okay, this is a new command we are trying today. Now I want this one to repeat. Okay, I want it to repeat 30 times, let's say. And if I just click here, now remember I wanted to click this one, it doesn't start it. Click the space bar with me on your computer. Now you can, it's really fun. Interesting to paint. Okay, so let me show you one thing I can do here. You can do also. Okay, I want it to have, let's say, a leg or something. Okay, now I just went to choose costume and I chose a sprite. Okay, this is a sprite. Now what will I do is I want to make that one funny. I want it to have a leg. Okay, now I will not choose the whole thing, I just want this part. Okay, I'll just copy this one. Now bring here and click paste. Okay, you can also copy this one again, paste this one, second copy, and then you can make it smaller using this one. You got the idea, you can make so many interesting things. Now you can make it flip. Oh, it doesn't look that much good. It's better like that. That means that here, the whatever the ball has a leg, a human-like leg, and it's going to move. Can also put other things here. It looks funny, right? So now you can see you can make these legs a bit smaller. Okay, it looks nice, yeah. Okay, now we have created our own sprite. Now you can also color this sprite if you want. Different colors you can apply. Peaches feel. Okay, you can do that. Now I see we have painted this sprite. Then what happens now when you click on this sprite? Okay, you can see what happens with this sprite. Space bar, click. It's having fun, yeah. Okay, but for this character you can change this one. Instead of making it rotate, you can just make it move. Okay, you can just click, and you can see because we have affected the direction, you can just add this point in this direction. Okay, and then you can say, you can add this block to make it bounce on edge, and also delete this one, right click and delete block. Okay, now add rotation style. So this is Sprite. Oh, I should click spacebar. Now you can see we have made our own character. Thank you so much for watching. If you have not subscribed already, be a member, subscribe, it's free. You'll get more videos for free. Like and share if you like this video.